Project Assist is Civil Site Design's new AI-powered tool that allows users to get the ball rolling on a design faster than ever. In this video, I want to demonstrate the use of Project Assist with a rural road design project. I'll also introduce you to a plugin that we've created, which will automate super elevation, site distance, line marking, and table drains. All we need to do is specify the design speed for the road. If you haven't used Project Assist before, it is really simple. The way it works is you create your alignments and then run the Project Assist command. Project Assist will use AI technology to review your alignments and guide you through the setup process. So in this project, I have a number of alignments. I have an alignment that represents the center line of the road. I have some alignments controlling the road edge, which widens around the curve. We have some side roads connecting in, and then an intersection where I've got an alignment representing the existing edge of this highway, and then some alignments that control the curb return geometry. So by running Project Assist from the ribbon, the software will review the alignments and assign an alignment type, which we can change and train the AI if it was incorrect. So we can see the main road alignment is a road string. We have an alignment for the existing road edge, which has been detected, and then the alignments that control the widening, the curb returns have been set at road edge connection or string control. So once we're happy with that, we just click on confirm and the workflow manager will appear. So the AI has created this for us, and the idea is that we scroll through and tell the AI how we would like to set up and create this project. So firstly, we have the road string being created. The software has detected that this alignment looks like a rural road, so it's applied a rural template for us. The widening is set up by adding a variation to widen the EB code on the template to this alignment, which we could change if we wanted, but I'm happy with that type. Then we have some curb returns at the intersection. I'm going to tell the software that these are curb returns. Okay, and then we've got the side roads. I'm just going to apply a rural template for those as well. For the existing edge, it'll be created as a mini road running along the alignment, and that's so the intersections can form, so those curb returns can form. So I'm going to introduce you to this plugin called Australian Rural Road Design. So all we do is we click on plugins. When you install Project Assist, it comes with two plugins. The other one is Model Trim, which we'll make a video on that at some point. So I just select Australian Rural Road and click on Add Action. So it adds this action to our workflow manager. So what we do here is we pick the road that we want to calculate. So I want Old Urunna Road. I pick the design speed. I'm going to go for, say, 80 km per hour design speed. We then set the maximum super elevation that we would apply, and then we tell the software what we want to calculate, and I'm just going to leave all of that ticked on. So the next step is to click on compute, and Project Assist will run through and build up the project for us. When it's completed, it'll actually load up Model Viewer because that's where some of the site distance and line marking calculations occur. If you didn't know, when you run Project Assist, you will get this PDF report outputted. The great thing about this is it tells you exactly what it has done. And if you didn't know, Project Assist will build the project up exactly the same way that a user would. So you can see each step that is followed. If you want more information about one of these steps it's taken, you can click on this link here and watch a video. So if you didn't know how to, for example, add a variation to an alignment, click on this video and it will show you. If I get to the end of this report, we'll actually see some of the design styles that it's applied to calculate site distance, etc. So I'm just going to close that down. The next thing I'll do is I'll very quickly apply the aerial imagery to the base surface. I'm going to go image from drawing, just select on that aerial image, and then I'll just run through and show you some of the things that the software's calculated for us. Okay, so firstly you can see the line marking has been calculated, and the line marking has been calculated using the site distance. So if I was to go to the analysis tab in Model Viewer and click on site distance, you'll see that some site tables were created by Project Assist. We can review those by clicking on Manage Tables. So we've got one for the forward direction, one for the reverse direction. So this is fully editable by the user, and we could display the results for those site distance checks simply by ticking on the check boxes here. Right, but it's those site tables that are being used to calculate the line marking. If you want to review that, you click on the line marking tab, click on marking setup, and you'll see the different lane lines that have been added. So line marking calculated at the center line, and we have two entries to create the left edge and right edge line marking. If you wanted complete control over the line marking, you can actually explode those. You do that by running this convert to by alignment, and then you'll have sort of full control over the line marking regions, etc. So that's a quick look at the line marking and the site distance calculations. If I was to say right click and open up a cross section, you'll see that we have super elevation that's been calculated. And if we wanted to review the super elevation or make some changes to it, we go back to the roads tab, expand out road string, and then down the bottom you'll see super elevation. So I'll just select the road we want to view. So you can see what Project Assist has added in here to create the super elevation. The results get shown in this table, which is fully editable. So if you want to change the crossfall or the widening for any curve or recalculate at a different design speed, this is where you go and do that. The final thing that the plugin has done for us is calculate the table drains. So if I go into the design data form, you'll see that there's this table drain entry, and the way this table drain works is if we are in cut, then the table drain will be put in, but if our road was in fill, then we'll just batter to the surface. So the table drain has a level of intelligence there. So that's a quick look at the new Real Road Design plugin for Project Assist, and we'll aim to create a lot more plugins for Project Assist to help you out with certain tasks. The idea here is the plugin becomes a time saver where you don't have to fill out all this information, create all these tables, etc. The plugin will do all that for you and get you up and running. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.